South Africans, asihlebeni guys. Yo. But I'm going to focus more on this comment. A question, iti. Ikona got the politician yes South Africa that is not corrupt. You know, I did a video a few weeks ago and about amabomb lawa dropo Mkhwanazi, ne? I knew something was cooking in South Africa because there were signs allocating oh. Manje lo gangilindele nje ukuthi uzobuya athi nje, you know what, let's get on top of this thing. Uyabhala uyacisha like angim understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yabo? And then manje khona lo obesanda, you know, besesikhundleni lo waye Mr. Wesushi, amkhumbula loyo. Lo lately obethi nje senze city van. Yabona nje bengi excited ngibethu ukuba excited ngevan yakhe. How? Kanti nawo nezikandal zakhe. Hi guys, ngeke. Can anybody nje mention ukuthi iyiphi ipolitician eSouth Africa eclean guys makunje? Hey babolile abantu abarana country yethu. But you know what's the hardest bit about this? It's the fact that all of this is affecting our citizens, ne? And the way corruption yabo isingakhona abasanendaba sebenza budedengu. Seku obvious nje. Yabo? Le party le ephethe le nalo baba lo onegama labantu besifazane. I-arrogance yabo guys, mina nje I'll be very surprised if comes next election these guys ba win. Ngoba ke phela some of us sinjalo sizobavotela because every time us vote with ama emotions. Hayi Gisathukile guys. Yazi every time I'm like hayibo lento, it's almost like a spider web. Every day kuyakhula kuyaphuma ukuthi okay nalo uyathinteka and I've been following ukubona ukuthi izophelelaphi. I know ukuthi a lot of people, there was this thing of let's pray for Mkhwanazi guys. Prayers are working because for now usa safe kakhulu and I'm sure ukuthi kube kuya ngabo ngabe baqedile ngaye. And I don't think they're going to be that dumb bayenze something that is gonna make our citizens asukume phansi alwe noMkhwanazi. They will be so stupid of them. I know ukuthi sometimes when you have a lot to lose, you tend to do like stupid things. But I'll be very, very shocked if bangenza something ukuthi bathi nje asiqede ngaye. Yo, I don't even want to know ukuthi kungenzakalani. Phela lento General Mkhwanazi ayenzile for ama South Africans guys. Uvule Pandora's box. Yabo le akade ukhisi be lahlele ukuthi nje nobody needs to know. Hayi uzivukuzile shemi ithwayini isihlahla senyosini isidleke senyosi wasidlikidla wasithi hayi manje kuyatinyela sitinyela kwasani. And mina ngithi shosho ngithi good kulaba abathelelwa machaphazela because you can't be in a position of trust and a position yokuthi like usiza abantu, like fanele umela abantu, like fanele deliver my services for abantu, the very same people that has put you in that position and uza nendaba engaka. And I'm just hoping ukuthi, I know Mr. Van step it down, ne? That's noble of him, but also he's proving to the other politicians ukuthi if kuguti painted step aside until proven ukuthi innocent. So I'm hoping ukuthi njengoba step it down guys, we know history yakhe ukuthi beno bululu wakhe basukaphi. Let's just hope ukuthi nje step aside bazokwenza le investigation abayenzayo ibuye ithi uclean, for an example. Because If ibuya isho otherwise, guys, hi, angas. Because from day one, we were like, okay, we'll give you a chance. But ke uyazi now. Twa umege twani Leopard never changes its sport. So sizolinda sibone. But guys, let's hope asikhulekeni ukuthi nje umkhwanazi yaba lezi zinto le proof le athunayo. Guys, I hope uyifihle kumuntu amthembayo ongekaze amdayise, because laba abanye nje bengacacile nje ukuthi okay, I think mhlawumbe baphumile kuma position or ba step aside. Ngizwe lo omunye kuthiwa ufuna ukubuyela emsebenzini, ubuyela uyokwenzani? Angithi ufuna ukutshontsha iproof or indlela ukuthi afihla amahlaza akhe lawa agcwele ngawo. So nje I think nje lo uyihandlishe nje ngendlela errong yonke lento. I think the way, I know ukuthi sometimes ezinye izinto zi difficult, but into kanje messy kanje, if wazi ukuthi abantu bakho abekho corrupt, uzobatshela ukuthi awuhlale ekhaya, unpaid leaves, investigate sibone lento uthi yapi. Why ngibona another clip ukuthi ngathi usekhuluma indaba yonyaka manje. 3 months no 6 months usuphelelepi ukuthi le commission yakhe le ayibekile ukuthi bazokwenza i-investigation izothatha boma 3 months. Sesekunyaka manje kanjani? And I hope ubaba uMkhwanazi, I've read somewhere ukuthi ngathi term yakhe iyaphela, or I saw a clip ka Julius ethi ngathi term yakhe iyaphela. I wonder maybe ngambuyiseli bazobe becabangani. That man should just be given whatever a position above. Angisho ukuthi akabe yini yani, but abangenzi ubudom where they gonna either bamkhiphe esikhundleni bangambuyiseli or bangarenew ngisho ukurenew i-contract yakhe. Angazi ama-contract kusebenza kanjani, but if they know what's good for them, ubaba uMkhwanazi bazombuyisela esikhundleni sakhe or bamnika isikhundla esithe ukuthi xaxa aclean nje, akacleanizwe nje. I think for once laba neqembu labo really bekufanele basebenzisane nalo baba baclean, but ekunzima ke nawo uma uyisigebengu ukuthi uthi uzoclean, ngoba phela I'm sure nayo uyachaphazeka. Ngiyakhuluma indaba yephalaphala, yaphelelaphi? Yini phalaphala noma iphalala, whatever that is, yaphelelaphi? So unama scandals akhe naye, maybe that's why ehandlishe kanje lento le. So nje baningi ka government, they are all corrupt, guys, to the core. And until sikhiphe le corruption le ekwi-core yabo, asina chance, shame. Asina chance, because abanye ba behave a certain way or ba defend a certain things because banogco phakathi. So nje mina, my question is, yipi politician clean South Africa? I know ukuthi kube khona lezi zinto zama, but is there one esingathi mesikhala sikhalele kuyona? Ngoba phela wonke lawa khona mawusubheka ngempela kuma election alandela kuzovotelwa bani, guys? Mina that's what I want to know. Kuzovotelwa bani? Ngoba the way it's going siyakhala, but we need to do change. But so shintsha kanjani? Bonke benji be corrupted benji. Kwaze kwakude phambili, guys. Kwaze kwakude phambili. Honestly. So until we find that clean politician that can't be controlled, we're going to have to find ways and use people like General Mkhwanazi ukuthi silungise laba abakhona manje, sikhiphe uvuco, siboneke abasalayo ukuthi obani mhlambe ke bona bangasenzela something ethe ukuthi I don't know guys, asikhulekeni, umkhuleko uyasebenza. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say, guys. Ngizonibona kwi video landelayo. Bye.